Hi guys, I'm trying to make eggs for my family. This is egg, this is tomatoes, Worcester, this is onions, this is vegetable, and this is carrot. This is just chicken no, to give it taste. If you like, it's optional. You can see. Watch me as I prepare it. Thanks. Use the coconut oil. Use the onions. Hope you guys are seeing me. Here's tomatoes. Tomato is a big piece. Now I will add the carrot. Then I will add the hot dog. I will add a little bit of salt. I will add a little bit of salt. Yeah, the Worcester is spicy. The Worcester is a bit salty, so I will add a little salt so that it will not be too salty. Control for salt. Then a little now, Mikey. Just a little. Then the vegetable. Just for salt. Okay. Guys, are you seeing what I'm cooking? Let me add a little salt. Then time to add the eggs. These are the eggs. Give it a good stir so that it will blend with the spice, with what that's inside, with the spice. Give it a good stir so that it will blend with others. Then you cover it and you lower. Hope you're seeing me. See, you cover, then lower it. Okay guys, see, the food is ready. Yummy, isn't it? This is egg. I think I should have the gas now. Guys, what did you say to my egg sauce? Yummy, yummy. My daughter will always say yummy, yummy. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. So food is ready. The food is ready. This is my egg sauce. So when they come back, take it with hot milk. They are at school, so when they come back, because it's cold, we are cold here, so they will take it with hot milk, hot chocolate, and have a good nap. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for me, please. Thank you so much.